Okay, this is for a 2018 Buick Lacrosse. We're going to change the battery inside the remote. Let's go ahead and pull out the extra key. What you're going to do is take a little screwdriver like this, put it over here. Okay, so we're going to take out the battery. Okay, the battery type is, if you can see that. So we're going to take the old battery, put it here, take the new battery, take this out, put it in the same way. So it's going to be face down. Let's see if we can get that in there. So that one is snapped in. We're going to put everything back to normal. You're going to see you have a little button right here. And everything is back. Just going to put this key back inside. And let's go check it out, see if it works. Okay, so let's go see if this remote works. We just changed the battery on it. And we're right by the car, 2018 Buick Lacrosse. Here's the key fob. I've put everything back together. Remember, you have your release to get your key out. This particular remote has the lock, the trunk release, the remote start, the lock and unlock button. So now let's see if it works. I'm going to hit the unlock button. Ah, it works. Lock. It works. Let's do the trunk. 1, 2. And you can see the trunk opened up for us over here. Yep, the trunk did open up. I'm going to show you guys also, since I'm making this part of the video, if you want to open up the trunk on your car and you can't figure out how to open up the trunk, you can either do it from the remote. If you don't have the remote with you, see this big emblem? You just push it and it opens it up. Just push the emblem and it opens it up. This is on a 2018 Buick Lacrosse, just a little trick.